Hi, welcome to Nepal Digital Education. Today in this video series, we are going to print our fifth program of control statement. So let us look at the program. So write a program to check the enter number is even or odd. So before printing this program, we must have the idea about one function that is YOMOD. And simply this YOMOD means modulus. Simply it is a function which gives remainder when one number divided by another number. So we use YOMOD function to check the even or odd. So let us look at the program. So first of all write CLS. So first of all we need one number. So to enter the number we use input command. So input enter the number. Suppose the number is n. So simply when we enter any value, so simply it store in the variable n. Then we use here conditional statement, that is if else statement, to print this program. So simply if this number mod 2 equal to 0, then print even number, even number, else print odd number, print odd number, then in last end if, then in last end. So this is our program. So when we enter any number, so simply it is stored in this variable n variable, and it check if number mod 2, like if you enter any value, that it simply divide with the 2 and it gives the remainder value, and if the remainder is 0, then print the even number, otherwise print odd number. So run it. So enter your number. Suppose your number is 10, so it is what? Even number, it is right. Again check once, enter your number. Suppose your number is 5, so odd number, so our program is right. So simply when we enter any number, so first of all it is stored in n variable and it divide with 2 and gives the remainder only, because we are using here mod function. So simply its function is to return the remainder only. So if the remainder is 0, then print the even number, otherwise print the odd number. So this is our program to print odd or even. So thank you for watching this video.